Burping time, burping time. It's burping, 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 burping time. Burping time, burping time. It's time to burp, it's time to burp after feeding. This is how to burp, baby. After feeding, you rub their back, you rub their back, you rub their back, you rub all the of a sudden you hear boom, boom. Oh yeah, change your burping technique. You got to burp. It is good to burp your baby. You burping time. Yes, you rub, you rub, you rub and rub and rub until you hear the sound. Sound, sound. You rub your back, you put pressure on the back to release gas. You help them to release gas. 1, 2, ready, go. Burping, sleeping, baby. Help them to relieve gas. To release gas. Okay, another burping technique. You place them on your shoulder. Place them on your shoulder. Yes, let them put their stomach on your shoulder. Apply pressure and rub in a circular motion. Go, rub, rub, rub until you hear the sound. Sound. Yeah. That's it.